It's overheating a little bit. Gotta get some snow. Place it on here. Yeah, it's even closing.
Powerful.
Oh. Ugh. You're set. Woo! It is snowing out there, did you know? Oh, what the?
Sorry. It was a little bit harder. Good.
Это что такое? I think the snow is blocking my throttle. There we go. There you go, look at that. It is happy. Happy. So you flew forward? Should I leave it on? We're gonna get stuck some more? Oh, you think you're good? Dude, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Look at all that snow. I don't know who plowed this. This is insane. I've never seen it plowed here before. Decided to deflate right here, right before the trail, because Sergio needs to fix his hub. If you turn it
too far in there?
If you're turning it to lock, it has to go this way.
I feel like this needs to come out more. Is it like jammed in there?
Yeah, that's what it looks like on here. Like locked means they're supposed to be out. So if you take it off, it locks, right? While being distracted by the hub, the tire went completely flat. Oops. I gotta air back up now. Didn't get too far down the trail.
Y'all gonna need to get some shovels.
Sergi, come dig for a little. My little Cherokee is no match for your,
what you look like?
For your big old vehicle. Dude, you're 3/4 in there, and I have to pull uphill. It's like it's too light. You can't really do too much. I'm gonna try to use this 30-foot strap also, so I can get like some speed. He's good. That worked. Well, first time I was up here, then I was in the trench. Legit. Woo! Woo! Little Cherokee! We're good. So I'll have to make my own because he's wider. Well, I could completely make my own. Just 1 second, we'll get out his tracks and then driving around. Look, I'm not sinking like nowhere near as much as him. Good work. Let me go help him out real quick. Dude, is that deep or what?
I don't know.
Stuck myself.
What are you doing?
Winching. Spin it, don't spin whatsoever, but rock it. So you're done. Now you have to dig. You have to dig. Your front wheel's too deep. It's halfway almost. You're not gonna get out. You're gonna have to dig. I think. Straight. Straight. Now go. No, don't spin. Don't spin. Don't spin. As soon as it gets slippery, don't spin it. Try to go back a little bit, like just a little bit. See if it moves, just like very lightly. So stop. What are you deflated to?
14.
Ladno. You don't want to go lower? You don't want to go lower? You'll have grip. Yeah, you gotta dig again. Steer, leave it straight. Don't, when you steer around and like, oh, dajcie kopajcie się. Oh. Yeah. It's really easy to get stuck in this snow, huh? You have to be very, very quick, huh? You have to be like so fast you can never stop.
Try to gun it up the hill?
No, don't gun
Once
it.
it takes off?
Because if you don't have grip, then you're just gonna ding. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. That didn't go as planned. All we were doing was getting stuck. Yeah, I gotta record, close the window, and steer.